Okay, welcome to second year MSc Physics students. In this session, we will talk about another point defect is Frankel defects. Okay, students, welcome to second year MSc Physics students. In this session, we will talk about another point defect is Frankel defect. So in previous class we discussed Schottky defect. So Schottky defect means a pair of vacancies produced at one position positive ion side and one negative ion side due to absence of positive and negative ions. Then this type of defect is called as Schottky defect. So second type of defect is Frankel defect. It is a special case of vacancy and entrance defects in ionic crystals. So in Frankel defect, according to this Frankel defect, in which an atom is transferred from a lattice site to an interstitial position, so a position not normally occupied by an atom. So it is actual position of, which is not an actual position of an atom. That means, so the position is not an irregular order. So the calculation of the equilibrium number of Frankel defects proceeds along the line of problems. So consider the periodic distribution of positive and negative ions in an ionic crystal. When a positive ion leaves its site and settles in the interstitial position, then it creates a vacancy in its position. Thus the vacancy and interstitial defects are created. This pair of defects is known as Frankel defect. So in case of Frankel defect also charge neutrality is maintained. So examples of Frankel defect. So AgBr, silver bromide, AgCr, silver chloride and zinc sulfide etc. exhibits Frankel defects. So the formation of this Frankel defect is observed following from the following diagram. So AgCl, so this is Cl minus and Ag plus, Ag plus and Cl minus atoms. So an Ag plus atom is free from their position and which is fixed at or which is placed at or which is formed at a point which is not an regular position of that atom. So this type of defect is known as Frankel defect. So from this Frankel defect. So n be the number of vacancies, small n. Number of Frankel defects in much. And with the Frankel defects along a line. So which is much smaller than the, so this known value, no n which is much smaller than the number of lattice sites Kaplan and the number of there is another site interstitial site n dash, then this result small n is equal to nearly n into n dash whole power 1 by 2 exponential term of minus en by 2 kbt. So n be the number of lattice positions, lattice sites, and n dash with the instantial lattice sites, and k be Boltzmann constant, T be the temperature, then En be the energy. So this is the energy necessary to remove an atom from their own lattice site to intransial lattice position. Intransial lattice position. So in pure alkali halides, the most common vacancies are due to Schottky defects. Okay, that means Schottky defects occurs in only pure alkali halides. Okay, in pure silver halide, the most common vacancies are Frankel defects. So here lattice vacancies are present in alkali halides. Lattice defects are lattice vacancies are present in alkali halides. When these condition, that is the condition in Schottky Frankel defect is this, n is equal to something n dash 4 power 1 by 20 power minus n 2 by kt. So in lattice vacancies are present in alkali halides when these contain addition of divalent elements. If a crystal like KCl is grown with controlled amounts of CaCl2, so the in case of CaCl2, the Ca2 plus ions so Ca2 2 plus ions, enters the lattice in normal K plus ions, in terms of KCl K plus ions, and the 2 Cl minus ions enters to Cl minus ions, KCl and CaCl2. in KCl crystal. Okay, so we can draw a diagram like this is minus, this is minus, again this is minus, this is minus. Those are one type of lattice atoms. This is plus, plus. Actually general position of lattice points here, but in case of Frankel defect, okay, so this is a defect. So this production of lattice vacancies by solution of CaCl2, in KCl, to ensure electrical neutrality, a positive ion vacancy is introduced into the lattice with each divalent cations. Those are divalent, di means 2 valent cations, those are Ca2 plus. So the 2 Cl minus ions of CaCl2 enters normally negative ion side. So this experimental results shows that the addition of CaCl2 to KCl lower the density of crystal. So the density would increase if no vacancy were produced, because Ca2 plus is heavier and smaller ion than K plus. Okay, so this mechanism of electrical conductivity in alkali and silver halide crystals is usually the motion of ions and not the motion of electrons. So this is Frankel defect. Okay, thank you.